Hello guys, today we are here to speak on one of the important topic for our youths. I know even I am one of the youth, but so today we will be starting about the topic. The core of the beauty is simplicity. One day, I was talking to one of my friend and I asked her, why did she fell in love with him? So in return she replied that he was good looking, so she fell in love with him. For a moment I felt like, how foolish can people be? I could not digest the fact, because looks are important, but they should not be a factor to fall in love with them. Our generation gives importance to looks and styles. People barely cares about character, their attitude, their status and what not. So, but that's the sad reality of life. Appearance can come first, then the rest of the attributes. People judge you based on your looks before getting to know your worth. My humble request to all of you, never jump into the conclusion of marriage or commitment of love just because someone is beautiful. As you get old, the charm of the beauty disappears. One of the secrets I would like to share: no matter which angel or any handsome hunk you will marry, you will get bored looking at the same beautiful face throughout the life. Most of the time, beautiful face will be a cruel mind. So don't fall into the trap of beauty. Instead, prioritize their career. Check her emotional intelligence. Nowadays emotional intelligence is very most important factor that we should consider while choosing your partner, right? Also check their mental stability and humbleness. He should not be arrogant or rude to anyone. He should have control over his thoughts and mind. Check for their character. Are they humble, or like what they are into, or how they respond to a situation. Beauty can attract you, but it should not make you fall in love with them. If you get attracted to a beautiful face, don't be fool enough to commit to someone seriously just because they are beautiful. Choose wisely. Your life is in your hands. All the best.